Hey folks, today is Monday, January 19th, 2009. I finally have a new camcorder. No, I am not using it for this video, unfortunately. I just got it today, so I'm really excited about that. So hopefully the quality of these videos is going to improve dramatically over the next, starting hopefully with the next video. I got to charge up the battery and all that. Real excited about that because I'm kind of a techie kind of guy. I love gadgets and new technology and stuff, but I'm so out of the loop with my video technology. I still have a Hi8 video. Remember that from way back when? I finally got the hard drive type of saving of video, and right now, this time since last April when I started making these videos, I've been using just a little tiny still shot camera and using its video capabilities. So really, I've been out of the loop with this. There's far better technology that I could be using, and I finally got myself just that. I'm reporting in because you need to see what I look like. It's after the holidays, the second weekend, and I of course need to keep you guys up to date with the way I look. Got the same body going, so I must be doing something right? And that's the whole point of me doing these videos with the timestamps. It's the second week into January, and I am doing the fast. I'm a week behind. As you'll see from my last video, I did a video over in Las Vegas, which was a lot of fun. I have friends and family out there, so that's why I was out there. So I delayed my fast for a week. So I'm starting it this week. This is day one. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now on Monday. My first day, I'm going to do bare minimum 6 days and up to 10 days. We'll see how I feel. I do this twice a year. This is right about the time of day, this 4 o'clock mark, when the hunger pangs start to hit a little bit. So what you do is you compensate with this. Whenever you feel hungry, you drink the lemonade drink. I'm going to do my second serving out of at least 4 of my psyllium husk bentonite clay mixture, and that will give the fiber and bulking, give you a little bit of a feeling of fullness. It'll help that a little bit to compensate for the hunger pangs. And then tomorrow morning we'll do our oral saltwater enema, and it'll all come out the other end tomorrow morning, and from then on. So I just wanted to check in and let you guys know I was still around. My paid subscription program will resume around about mid-February. Thanks so much for the interest. People are continuing to contact me. I'm sorry it's closed right now. I need to make sure I can handle the numbers of people who are interested. And as it stood, I'm dealing with a bunch of people right now, and I just can't take on more. It's too much. I've had so much going on in my life, so I want to make sure that everyone gets quality help. So that's about it. Just checking in so you can see what I look like. I need to do a video every now and then so you can see what my body looks like. It's after the holidays. Of course, I cheated a little like everyone. We're all supposed to have a little bit of fun. And yesterday on Sunday, which is a normal cheat day for me, I cheated big time. I had lots of ice cream. Watch my last video regarding ice cream. And I had lots and lots of cookies. And I'm not really a cookie fan, but someone brought over some cookies from a local bakery, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are awesome. I'm going to fast tomorrow, so let's live it up a little, and that's what I did. Folks, that's how I have fun. I mean, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do any drugs of any kind, I don't even drink coffee. I'm a goody two shoes, and it's a little embarrassing. And that's how I live my life. So the way I have fun is I indulge in food a little bit. And the fast will help me make up for it. Again, this is not about calorie deprivation, not at all. It is instead about cleaning out the colon to clear up the immune system. So that's what gives us this right here. This shirt fits so funky. It's not tight here. I want it to be tight here so it can show off my abs, right? And it doesn't. It's loose here. What were they thinking? Don't they know people like me exist out here that with bodies that won't conform to their shirts? Anyways, okay. Love, happiness, health, and peace.